Check this out quickly. The FX Pro Silver Robot has got a total return of 953.2%, and in actual fact, it was done within 493 days. That is crazy, absolutely crazy. Hi there, my friend, Errol Muller here, and welcome to another video. In this specific video, we will be covering the FX Pro Silver Robot. Now, FX Pro Bots has got numerous forex trading robots. It's got the Pro Gold, it's got the Pro Platinum, but in this case, we are going to be reviewing the Pro Silver Robot. If this is the first time that you come across any one of my videos, I do this on a very consistent basis where I review forex trading robots and I delve into as much detail as I possibly can, and I share as much information as I possibly can in order for you watching this video to make an informed decision. I've been doing this for about 9 years. I've traded forex myself personally. I'm still involved in the forex markets. I no longer trade forex robots. Nothing wrong with them. I'm just at a different point in time in my career where I invest in other traders trading my money on my behalf. If you want to and you enjoy this type of content, please give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. Just leave me a comment. I would like to know what is your personal opinion of the FX Pro Silver Robot, or if you've got anything else to share with me, please do in the comment section. Now, in this case, this is the, and within this video, we're going to discuss, I'm going to share exactly with you how you can get hold of the FX Pro Silver Robot. I want to talk to you about a Forex VPS service. It's extremely important. And then I will also share with you my Forex trading broker that I've been using since the year 2015. I trust them. It's a reliable broker. I've made numerous deposits and withdrawals from them. Okay, so looking at the homepage, the FX Pro Robot, FX Pro Silver Robot, scrolling down, this is what the homepage looks like. Now, I'm not too worried about the homepage. What I do want to share with you that is extremely important is if you scroll down, you're more than welcome to open it up yourself, is this right here. Very important. I want you to pay attention to this right here where it says FX Pro Silver Robot. Now, as soon as you open up this chart right here, it's in actual fact going to open up this chart right here. Now, very important, I want you to pay close attention to this right here. The name and the wording. This is a FX Blue account because they share their results with the FX Blue account. It's called the FX Pro Silver Robot. All small letters, all one line. Same here, all small letters, all one line. The reason I'm sharing that with you is because some of the forex trading owners out there and developers and bots and profiles, etc., on their sales pages, I'm not saying this is what FX ProBot Silver is doing, not at all. I'm just saying that there is some individuals that do this. They, from time to time, they will change the profile on the website right here, and then sometimes they don't even match the names because they want to sell you something that is actually, they keep on changing the accounts because the original account that was there might have failed. They might have blown the account and it's not been trading for very long. So it's just something to pay attention to. I'm not saying this is what FX Pro bots are doing. I have to get it out there so that you know in future when you review any other forex trading robot what you should look for. And it applies to FX Blue and it applies to my FX book as well. Okay, so back to the homepage. I opened this up. This is the FX Pro Silver Robot. Okay, so firstly, very important, the overall graph is looking extremely well. As you can see yourself when you open up the page. What is important to me, most important, is it is a verified account. Now, I've actually opened up, if you click on that little green tick, it will open up and it will explain to you what is a verified, unverified account, etc. In this case, verified accounts. Verified means that FX Blue has collected the account data directly from the broker using our account sync or comes from a similar trusted source. So that is good. That is step number one for me. It validates, it is verified, it is a real account. So if it's a real account, it means that they are trading, hopefully, because with my FX book, it's easy to determine, but with FX Blue, slightly different. Hopefully they are trading their own funds and it's not a demo account. Okay, next, I just want to see something while I've got you on the video. Okay, it's not there. Okay, next, very important, is the total return of 953.2%. My apologies for the quick interruption. This will take just a minute of your time, and I have to share this with you. Are you tired of searching for ways to make money online? Literally, for ways to create more income, to make more money, to generate passive income. In order for you to, maybe you're in a situation where there's bad debt, maybe you're in a situation where you have to make more money in order to make ends meet. You're struggling to buy groceries, you cannot support your family, and you're looking for ways to make more money. Well, the first link in the description below this video will bring you to this page. Secondly, when you click on the Show Me How to Make Money button, you can register for a free masterclass training. I want you to, as soon as you've clicked that button, I want you to, yes, save my spot, enter your name, enter your email address, and watch the free masterclass training. Now, what has this done for me personally? So far, and it's only been a few days, I have generated, as you can see, I'm logged in, Errol, right there. And in actual fact, so far for this month, I've generated $33.30. The previous month, $1,300, and it's increasing. If I go to my payouts section, you will see that my lifetime earnings so far is $3,393. Once again, click the first link, register, and I will see you on the other side. Okay, very important. They've literally made that return within 493 days. I mean, that is 1 year's got 365 days. They've literally done this within like not even a year and a half, and they've returned a 953.2% return on investment. Now think to yourself, what does the average banks out there do? Mutual funds, your financial advisor or financial planner, investment specialist, what are they doing? Nothing against them. In actual fact, while you're watching this video right now, on your screen is a disclaimer. Please take some time, pause this video, read that disclaimer, and let's continue along. So nothing against them. I'm sharing my own personal opinion with you so that you can just make an informed decision. So think of that. On average, it's got a monthly return of 15.9%. That is phenomenal. That's crazy. That's monthly. Now you've got to start thinking compound interest long term over 12 months. What will that do for your investment? Okay, I'm not an investment specialist. I'm not licensed of any sort. I'm just providing you with my own opinion. Okay. Next, very important that you want to have a look at is the duration and the profitability. In this case, we've got a trade, and you've got to look at this. It's duration in hours. So the majority of the trades right here, you can literally go take 830 hours divided by 24, then that will give you the amount of days. So then you can see, you can take 830 hours divided by 24, and that will give you the majority of days it trades for. In this case, this one 1,800 hours, and these ones at 3,700 and 3,716. Now, why is that important? Okay, firstly, you have to pay overnight swaps. As soon as the trade stays open for 24 hours, which is 1 day and longer, you are going to pay a fee. Whether the trade is in a profit or a loss, you will have to pay that fee to the broker, no matter. Secondly, if you're trading using a Forex VPS service, it stands for Virtual Private Server, which I highly recommend you trade with. In any case, when it comes to Forex trading robots, is you want to make sure that if a trade stays open for too long, because what happens is sometimes virtual private servers will have to do maintenance on their servers, and they will notify you in advance to say, listen, we have to do maintenance, please. They usually notify you like sometimes a week, not a week, a month in advance, and they will say, listen, we have to schedule maintenance. Then you can go ahead and you can close all your trades before the maintenance happens. Now, it can go two ways. If your Forex trading robot uses, let's say the FX Pro Silver robot uses a hard stop loss and a hard take profit, that means once the trade is placed with the broker, it is registered on the broker on the server. You don't have to worry. You can in actual fact close your charts. So whatever happens, whatever direction it goes, whether it goes in a positive direction or negative direction, or in a bullish direction or a bearish direction, you will either take a profit or get stopped out. You will not blow your account. You will not lose all of your money because it's got a hard stop loss and a hard take profit. Now, if it trades with an open-ended stop loss, meaning there is no stop loss, it trades with indicators, etc., whereby you then close your broker and your robot, and you close everything, and the market goes in a negative direction against your trade, you can literally wake up the next morning and you've blown your account. Okay, so just something to pay attention to. Okay, so that is why I wanted to share the duration with you. Now, what you can also do is something that is very important. You can click on the analysis. I just want to quickly show you something, just like bring it into scope for you. So the red line is the deposits that they've made. In actual fact, I will share with you just now in a second where we can do where I can show you how many deposits they've made. Scrolling down, this is the duration of the trades again. Here we go. This is actually much simpler. You can see that right here, this trade ended in this specific trade traded 154 days and it ended in a minus $20, negative $20. This one in a positive $43. This one in a positive 14 cents. But it traded 154 days. Imagine the swap fees you will have to pay on 154 days of open trades. Just making you aware of it. I'm not saying it's a bad robot. I'm also not saying it's a good robot. I'm just pointing out the facts, what it is. This is what we're looking at, the statistics. The majority of trades closes between 2 days, 4 days, and then we've got one trade at 28 days, quite long, 21 days, 12 days, 34 days, 77 days. So these trades stay open for a very, very long time. Okay, so that's a bit of a concern to me. I want to go back to is it the stats or is it going to be under the overview? Stats, okay, the history, you can see weekly return, average monthly return is about 15%. I want to get the deposit for you quickly, just to keep it simple. Let's go to charts open close simple. Just bear with me. I normally do my FX book account reviews. FX Blue, it's just as simple. Sometimes from time to time I get a little bit confused looking at the two different platforms. So in actual fact, they've made deposit right here. You can see a deposit of $98 flatlined. Then they increased the deposit to $171, increased again to $256, increased again to $393, and then they made deposits up to $793. Then they brought it back down again which means they've made a withdrawal back down to $568 and then to $485, and so far it's flat lined. So the total amount of deposits they've made is $485, and the account at this point in time is sitting at about 2,500. Here we go. Balance is $2,599.76. Now the next thing to pay attention to will be your drawdown, the balance drawdown. There we go. As you can see right here, it's got a drawdown of about 1.3%, and then right there at about 0.2%. Now the drawdown on FX Blue is slightly different from my FX book, so I cannot really validate if that is the actual drawdown, if the drawdown is less than 2%, because I have not, to this date, in my 9 years worth of experience, I have not seen a drawdown that is 2% at all. Even a drawdown of, I think I've seen one at about 5%. So what does drawdown mean? Drawdown is the risk you are willing to take within any one trade, to say you are risking 2% of your account or 5% of your account. Some robots even risk 65% of their account. So which means if that trade had to end in a loss, they are willing to risk 65% of the account. And if that trade ends in a loss, you lose 65% of your account balance. Just to bring it into perspective for you. Where can you get hold of the FX Pro Silver Robot? And let's talk about VPS services quickly. Okay, first link in the description below this video. It's going to bring you over to this page, empiredigest.com. I'm the owner and founder of empiredigest.com. I want you to scroll down to where it says Forex. Click on the Forex tab right there. It's going to open up the Forex tab for you. Then I want you to scroll down to where it says Forex Trading Robots right here. Click the Learn More button. Once you click the Learn More button, you will then go to this first link that says Forex Store. This one right here. Click on the Access Now button. Once you access the Forex Store, then what you want to do is you want to click in the search bar. Once in the search bar, you can search FX Pro Silver. That's all you need to search. Just type enter. It will bring up the FX Pro Silver Robot. You can click on it, and if you're interested, you're more than welcome to buy the FX Pro Silver Robot. Okay, in actual fact, what I will do to keep it simple for you is I will leave the link, the second link in the description below this video for you to come directly to this page right here so that you can click on the Forex Store button right here. It will bring you directly to this Forex Trading Robots page. Okay, and then the links thereafter will be links to all my social media platforms where you can follow me as well, where I share with you my passive income and how I make passive income. Okay, next, Forex VPS services. Let's click on the Forex tab. Once more, scrolling down, you want to click on Forex VPS services. Why is it important to trade with a Forex VPS or a Forex virtual private server? Okay, so what happens is if you trade on just a normal laptop, a Mac, a PC, and you trade with your own internet, whether it be fiber internet or wireless, do not trade wireless. Please, guys, don't trade wireless using Forex Trading Robots. Okay, so what happens is Forex Trading Robots uses a complex of and a multitude of Forex indicators, formulas, etc. And that all forms part of the Forex Trading Robot strategy. Now, at any point in time, if there's an interruption with your internet, a performance issue with your PC, Mac, laptop, or you've got any sort of performance issue, then what's going to happen is at that point in time, if the robot needed to take a profit, place a trade, stop you out, or whatever it needed to do, and it does not know what to do, it can go two ways. One is you can either make a lot of money within one trade, or you can lose a lot of money, even blowing your account. Once again, if you've got a hard stop loss and a hard take profit going for you, then either way, it doesn't matter what happens at that point in time, you're either going to get stopped out or you're going to make a profit. Okay, so that's my recommendation why I suggest trading with a Forex VPS service, because it's consistent. It runs 99.9% 7 days of the week. Okay, it's very good to trade with. I would highly recommend trading with a VPS service, and then you can check out these VPS services. You are more than welcome to check them out. Like I said, the second link in the description below this video. Once again, thank you for your time. I appreciate you. May you watching this video have a blessed and a wonderful, happy, successful, loving life, financially successful, loving life, as well as a loving life and a healthy life going forward. And stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to this profile, give this video a like, and I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.